Today we're visiting Gananoque and Thousand Islands.
Hi everyone, it's Fern and Frank with Java Walker World. We're back. It's a new day, so it means a new adventure. We are here in Gananoque, Ontario, just east of Kingston, which is famously known for the Thousand Island boat tour. So we're going to meander through that, and with our coffee today, we're going to have a breakfast. We're down here, right in the middle of Gananoque, the town. It's very cute. We're going to walk through it, and you're going to see. But as we've seen by just parking the car, it's nice. It's quaint. So we're going to enjoy our breakfast, and as you can see, it's a nice country breakfast. We're going to be filling, so we're going to have to do a lot of walking to walk it off. So come along, join us, come along for the adventure. And don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, we'd much appreciate it.
Walk with us.
Walk with us. So there we have it. Breakfast is done. As you can see, we cleaned up our plates rather well. So now we got to go walk it off. We're here in Main Street in Gananoque, and we're at Moroni's. I would highly recommend it. They got a nice outdoor patio, a nice indoor air-conditioned place, and their menu is actually rather extensive. But for a basic,
Inexpensive.
Huh?
It's not expensive.
I said for an inexpensive restaurant.
Oh, you said for an expensive
Oh, sorry, an
restaurant.
inexpensive restaurant. It's got lots to pick from.
And it's a Mediterranean restaurant.
It's a Mediterranean restaurant. So again, highly recommend. Come by, check out what they have. It's nice and relaxing. And so now we're gonna go walk it off. So we've done the coffee. Now we're gonna do the walking. So
we are so surprised at what we're seeing here in Gananoque, which is southern Ontario, southern East Ontario. Just beautiful.
again, this changed. The place we ate, we were talking with the waitress and says she's just been back 5 years, and in the last 5 years, so many changes have happened.
Yeah.
We haven't been here probably in 30 years, and we're noticing night and day changes, all for the positive, all for the good, for business, tourism, everything.
Yeah.
So we're just taking a little bit of a break. There's actually more than I thought.
A whole lot more.
A whole lot more. So we're here in the shade off the river, and we're going to continue the tour on. But as you've seen up until now, there's all kinds of little shops, all kinds of places to eat, nice waterfalls. And yeah, so we're off the river. Yeah, I guess you saw the Canada geese. They're everywhere.
They're everywhere, and we're going to be going down to where they're doing the cruises as well. But first, we're going to show you a little bit of downtown, or more of the downtown area.
We're going to cross over the waterfall. There's a little waterfall here, bridge. We're going to cross over to the other side and work our way up the other part of downtown.
Thank you for joining us.
Stay with us.
Stay with us. Walk with us. So, what do you think of Gananoque, Frank?
Oh, I'm tired.
I'm tired. It's been a big day.
It's been a big day. A lot of walking, but it's very nice. Very nice. As you can see, they're getting off the Thousand Island boat tour. And yeah, there's quite a few people out here, which is nice to see. They seem to be following the rules, which is good.
We're not taking it.
No, we're not taking it. No, not this time.
Not this time. We have other responsibilities. We have to get back home too.
But yeah, we'll leave that for next time. There's another excuse to come back.
Exactly, and it's not all about the Thousand Islands, but Gananoque itself is lovely.
Oh yeah, no, definitely a must see. Highly recommend it again. I know I've been saying that about every place we've been at. But yeah, I honestly do mean it. We'll probably come upon one that doesn't tickle my fancy, but
we'll let you know.
We'll let you know. But so far, so good. So come along with us, subscribe, follow us, give us a thumbs up, please, and see where tomorrow leads us. And
we appreciate you watching.